Jai Swaminarayan. Myself, Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 6, subject Maths. Okay, so we will start today chapter Algebra. Okay, mm, chapter 11 Algebra. So in math, there are so many branches. Arithmetic means study with numbers. Geometry means study with shapes. Algebra means study with letters. Now, algebra is the study of branch of math which are we going to study with letters and numbers. Okay. Now we will see exercise 11.1. Find the rule which gives us number of mastics required to make the following mastics pattern. Use a variable to write the rule. A pattern of letter T as T. So the rule will be 2n. A pattern of letter Z, the rule will be 3n. A pattern of letter U, the pattern will be 3n. A pattern of letter V, 2n. A pattern of letter E, that is 5n. A pattern of letter S, it is 5n. Then a pattern of letter A, it is 6n. Now, question second. We already know the rule for the pattern of the letter L, C, F. Sum of the letters from question 1 gives us the same rule as that of L. Which are these? Why does this happen? So, for letter L and for letter V, as it requires only 2 mastics. Okay? Now, the cadets are marching in a parade. There are 5 cadets in one row. What is the rule which gives us the number of cadets given in the number of rows? Use n for the number of rows. Now see here, number of cadets in one row 5, number of rows n. So the rule is total number of cadets are 5n. Okay. Now next, if there are 50 mangoes in a box, how will you write the use of total number of mangoes in terms of the number of boxes? Use B for the number of boxes. Now see here, number of mangoes in a box is 50. Number of boxes are B. So total mangoes are 50 into B. Right? Then next, the teacher distributes 5 pencils per student. Can you tell how many pencils are needed given the number of students? Use yes for the number of students. Now see, number of pencil for the each student is 5. Number of students, yes. So number of pencil needed is equal to 5s. Okay. So let's see the next example. Please open your book. Exercise 11.1. Okay, we have discussed now the fifth example. So let's see the sixth one. A bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Can you express the distance covered by the bird in terms of its flying time in minute? Use T for flying time in minutes. Now see, 1 मिनट में वो 1 किलोमीटर जाता है, तो T मिनट में कितना आएगा? T into 1, that is T, right? Then Radha is drawing a dot rangoli, a beautiful pattern of lines joining dots with chalk powder. She has 9 dots in one row. How many dots will her rangoli have are rows, and how many dots are there if there are 8 rows and if there are 10 rows? अब देखो एक रो में 9 डॉट्स है ना, तो फर्स्ट सब क्वेश्चन का आंसर देंगे 8 रोज है. वो देखो एक रोज में 9 डॉट्स है, तो 8 रोज में कितने आएंगे? 9 इंटू आर. नेक्स्ट, हाउ मेनी डॉट्स आर देयर इफ देयर आर 8 रोज. अब देखो एक रो में 9, तो 8 रो में कितने आएंगे? 9 8 जा 72. If there are 9 dots in one row and there are 10 rows, then 9 10s are 90. Okay. Next, Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Can you write Leela's age in terms of Radha's age? Take Radha's age to be X. Now see, Leela is Radha's younger sister. तो छोटा कौन है बताइए? लीला ना. और राधा बड़ी है. सो लीला इज 4 years यंगर देन राधा. सपोज राधा की उम्र 10 years है, तो लीला की कितनी होगी? 6 years. अब एग्जाम्पल में दिया है कि राधा की उम्र कितनी है? x, तो लीला की उम्र कितनी होगी? x - 4. अब नेक्स्ट लिखे, मदर हैज made laddus. She gave some laddus to guests and family members. Still 5 laddu remains. If the number of laddu mother gave is L, how many laddu she make? अब देखिए मम्मा ने जो लड्डू बनाए थे तो 5 बचे हैं और बाकी सब उसने क्या किया, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया फैमिली मेंबर्स और गेस्ट को. तो सपोज वो L है तो L plus 5 आर द टोटल लड्डू. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट, oranges are to be transferred. Just 1 second. Okay, I'm sorry. Oranges are to be transferred from larger box into smaller box. When a large box is emptied, the oranges from it to fills 2 smaller boxes and still 10 oranges are remain. Now see, if the number of oranges in small box are to be x, what is the number of oranges in the large box? छोटे 2 बॉक्स भर के फिर 10 ऑरेंजेस रिमेन्स है, तो एक बॉक्स में x, तो 2 बॉक्स में कितने हो गए 2x और ये प्लस 10, तो टोटल ऑरेंजेस कितने हो गए 2x प्लस 10. ठीक है. नाउ 11th एग्जाम्पल यू हैव टू सॉल्व. आई जस्ट डिस्कस इट. देखिए फर्स्ट में जो स्क्वायर बना है, बी में भी 2 squares बने but it was joined, attached. Okay, in C figure also we can see 3 squares with attached. So we have to find out the rule for it. You can see the diagram of 11.7. It is made up of triangles attached to each other. Okay, so in the next topic we use the variables to form the formulas in geometry and in arithmetics. Okay, so let's start exercise 11.2. Fine. The side of an equilateral triangle is shown by L. Express the perimeter of equilateral triangle using L. अब देखिए इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल, इक्विलैटरल मीन्स 3 साइड्स इक्वल, राइट. तो अगर एक साइड L है तो तीनों साइड कितने होगी L plus L plus L. तो perimeter will be L plus L, that is 3L. Okay. Next, the side of regular hexagon is denoted by L. Express the perimeter of the hexagon using L. अब देखो रेगुलर हेक्सागन है, रेगुलर मीन्स सारे साइड्स इक्वल, हेक्सा मीन्स 6 साइड्स, सो पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू L plus L plus L plus L plus L कितने टाइम 6 टाइम्स. ओके. नेक्स्ट, a cube is 3-dimensional figure as shown in figure 11.11. It has 6 faces and all of them are identical. The length of edge of cube is given L. Find the formula for total length of the edge of a cube. Up each face is made up of square, okay, and square has equal sides, so total edges are 12. So 12 into L we get total edges is 12L. Okay, so I think you have to see the next example in the book, that is the diameter of circle is a line which joins 2 points on the circle and also passes through the center of circle. Adjoining figure, AB is diameter of circle and C is the center. Express the diameter of circle in terms of its radius. Now see here, C is the center. So what is the radius? Radius is the line segment which joins the center of the circle and any point on the circle. Okay, so what is diameter? Diameter is the line segment which passes through center and its end points are on the circle. If you see the figure, then CP and AB is CP is half of AB. मतलब रेडियस डायमीटर की आधी होती है, मीन्स डायमीटर रेडियस के डबल होती है. ओके, सो व्हाट विल द फॉर्मूला? D is equal to 2R. Okay. So let's discuss the next example. Fine. So let's read the next example, that is to find the sum of the 3 numbers 14, 27, 13. We can have 2 ways. Okay. So ये जो numbers है 14, 27 और 13, इसको हम 2 तरीके से एडिशन कर सकते हैं. तो पहले क्या करेंगे हम 14 plus 27 और फिर इसके एडिशन करके हम 13 ऐड कर सकते हैं, या फिर 14 and 13 and then we will add 27. Okay, so we can discuss or we can say we can express this addition with the help of variables also. Okay, so we have finished here exercise 11.2. So let's see about the exercise 11.3. before that we have to